She's dancing.
That's a rock.
Ellie.
I hear the whistle. She's dancing. She keeps dancing.
Grabe, ang ganda guys. Ang sarap mag-pictorial dito. Para tayong nasa Japan, Korea. Say hi, Ellie. Can you say hi? Hi! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Katatapos lang po namin magsimba and we will go to Red Wing Park kasi every year meron yan silang dito, ino-open nila yung park for public and it's free. So yung kung taga Virginia kayo or Virginia Beach, malapit lang malapit siya sa Oceana. I think it's in Oceana, right?
We'll double check. It's somewhere over there.
General Booth. I think it's in General Booth. So, ayun. Free lang siya, guys. So, last year, siguro pangatlong beses ko na makapunta doon. And, sasama ulit namin si Ellie. Kasi nung last year na punta namin, si Ellie is very pa talaga siya, small pa. So mga pa lang siya nun, mga, I think, mga 3 months, ganun. Or 4 months.
She was really young.
Yeah, very tiny pa si Ellie talaga nun. Newborn pa. So, yun, punta kami dun, guys. And we'll see. Kasi nakita ko yung picture sa ibang mga posts sa Facebook. Maganda na yung parang ng mga puno. So, puntahan natin. And para makapagpa-picture din kami ulit mag-family. Sana makapag-picture kami. Kasi ang hirap mag-picture pag kayo-kayo lang din. So, kailangan lang talaga ganito. Ikaw lang maghawak, ganyan. Unless magpapapicture kayo sa tao, mga yung pupunta rin or rin doon, nagpipicture, no? So, we'll see you guys. Nandito na tayo. Madam, nakailang video na siguro ako dito. Mga pangatlong beses ko na siguro ito. Did you like the,
Yeah.
Ganda, no? Diba? So you'll see, taray. Please, no pets or bikes. Look, my little fountain. Ooh, look at that. Tingnan natin. Yoshino cherry tree. Diba? Ellie!
Wow.
Hi! Hi! Hindi mo naalala, we brought you here last time. Because you're still little. She's fine. Oh, look babe. Oh, ang ganda. Tignan mo, naglalagas. Ganda. Oh, that's nice. Look. Look at the...
I can see if she wants to walk.
You can.
You want to push this?
Oh, we still have this, babe, the tag.
Here, you want to walk? You wanna walk with Dad? Come on. Come on. Hold Dad's hand. Hold my hand.
Aww. Yay! It's not bad. The boots. Dala namin yung isa niyang rubber shoes pero ayaw ni Travis yung boots kasi na daw.
You want to sit on the rock? You want to sit on the rock so Mom can take your picture?
Ellie, look at Mommy.
Look at
Ellie,
Mom. Ellie,
smile. Hi, Ellie. Ellie.
Ellie, look at Mama. Hey,
Ellie.
look at Mama.
Look at me. Ellie. Hi.
Wow.
Marami pa doon
Put her
eh.
on the little bridge?
We can, but I think that's close.
No, that little bridge right there.
Yeah, we can go there.
Come on, Ellie.
Balik kami doon.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Kasi gusto ni Travis si Ellie doon.
Come on. Run.
Let's go.
Come on, Ellie.
She's dancing. dancing. I hear the whistle blow. Boop, boop, boop. And she's there. Oh, look at her. I hear the whistle blow. Boop, boop, boop. Come on, mommy. Come on, mommy.
It's a rock.
Ellie.
I hear the whistle blow. She's dancing. She keeps dancing. Come on, Ellie. Ellie.
Ang hirap yan ni Ellie.
Let's take a picture of us here.
1, 2, 3.
Say hi, Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Ellie. Eliana Marie. Hey, no, no. I.
Dito na kami. Ganda. Ganda ngayon kasi wala masyadong tao, guys. Diba? Ito yung park. Nakikipag... Ayun na bahay ng hay. Ellie! Eliana! Come on! Come here! Come here, baby! Ellie! Hi! You wanna take pictures there? Let me take a picture of you and Ellie, babe. Ellie!
She's like, what is this stuff I'm walking?
Oh, she likes this. Remember in the backyard?
Yeah, I know. Let's walk down there. Where
Okay.
the kind of,
Ganda, oh. Diba? Tignan nyo naman ang stroller namin. May delta tag pa, oh. Nice. Ka-nice kaayo. Ellie! Eliana! Oh.
Come on, girl.
Diba? Ang nice. Maganda dito mag-pictorial. Hala, ang cute ng aso.
Come on.
Oh.
I like this way.
It's a cute dog. Look. Look at the dog.
Like a
Like
Shiba.
Akira.
Yeah, or little Shiba Inu.
Yeah, like Shiba Inu, Akira. And ang ganda ng weather ngayon kasi hindi masyado mainit.
Okay, come here.
Eliana!
What you
Tingnan
got?
mo, may dala ng ano.
Yeah.
Para kang si Kinsley. Oh,
Look at this.
I hear the whistle blow. Boop, boop, boop. Ellie, are you a ninja? Eliana.
Don't put it in your mouth.
Oh.
Don't put it in your mouth. Let me see. Ellie, what you got? Let me see. Come on, let me see it.
Give it to Daddy. Can you give it to
Let
Daddy?
me see. Come here.
Bring it to Daddy.
Come here.
Good girl.
Thank
Thank you.
Wow. Can you say pine cone?
Give it to her, Dal.
Is it pine
Wow.
cone? Let me have that.
Dali, borrow si Daddy. Borrow. Borrow po si
Give it to
Daddy.
Daddy.
Thank you. Ah, bless you.
Oh, there's a good snot bubble.
Yes.
Oh, good job. Bless you.
Bless you. Grabe, ang ganda, guys.
Oh.
Ang sarap mag-pictorial dito. Para tayong nasa Japan, Korea, 'di ba? Oh, ang daming tao ngayon, pero hindi sobrang dami. Sakto lang.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Oh, are you a ninja? Are you a ninja? Ellie. Eliana. Eliana.
Babe, let me see your phone real quick.
Oh, look at her. I hear the whistle blow. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Dance, Ellie. Eliana. Sige.
Let me see.
Say hi, Ellie.
Say hi.
Can you say hi? Hi. Ganyan din siya.
Thank you. Can you wait back? Say hi.
Aww. Have a good day. You too. Sabi ng daddy, is she pretty? And then the kid says, yes. Uh-oh. Bata pa lang.
19 more years.
I know. 19?
Yeah, when she's 20.
Ay, ang ganda ng weather ngayon, guys.
No,
Grabe.
you're just interested in everything.
Very
Oh, no.
nice ang weather.
Keep your boots on. You ready?
Wee! Wee! Ang dami din mga Pilipino dito na nakikita ko. Yeah, be careful. Are you having fun, Ellie?
We might need to go to the other path. This one's not really good for off-road.
Yeah.
We didn't bring our off-road one.
Oh yeah, the other one.
Oh, that's nice.
Ito kasi madaling tupiin tsaka magaan. Ang haba nito na pwede mong lakarin, tapos ang dami nyo pwedeng pagpicturean talaga. Diba?
Let's see how busy
The what?
the little park is over here. You want to go back to the main road?
Yeah. And then head back.
Oh, I thought we were going to the...
All the way down there. Where at?
the
Oh, there's a playground.
That's what I
Okay. Yeah, we can go to the playground. Kasi malayo to sa amin. Sabi ni Travis, sulitin daw na. Kasi malayo yung biniyahin namin. Malayo sa bahay namin. Tapos doon guys, sa pinakababa, playground para sa mga bata. Diba, ang daming family dito pumupunta. Tapos nagpipicture. Kasi maganda siyang puntahan para picturean, ganun. Tapos meron pa dun sa baba, pwede kayong mag-picnic. Ayan, pwede rin dito mag-picnic. You can here, right? Like eat,
picnic.
picnic, tapos pwede kayo mag-park doon sa baba. Dati doon ata kami nag-park. Tapos may naglalaro din dito minsan volleyball.
We'll see if it's busy down here. If it's too busy, babe, we don't have to go.
It's fine. She can play for a little bit. I don't think it's that super busy, but... Natatawa talaga ako. Hindi pa namin natanggal yung Delta tag.
Oh, yeah.
You forgot to remove that. Yeah. Ang dami ring aso. Last year, we brought Kinsley here. And there was some other dogs
So many people stop
here
us.
too. Yes. Ha? Oo, kasi syempre gustong-gusto na si Kinsley. Cute daw si Kinsley. Tapos ang laki-laking aso, diba? Nililipad yung palda ko. Buti na lang may pang-ilalim ako. Sarap din dito dalhin yung baby mo tapos lagyan mo lang sa stroller, tulog. Tapos ikot-ikot ka dito, di ba?
Smells good out here.
Yes, I'm hungry now.
Me too. What you making us?
We'll see. Ooh, she sees the dog. Wow.
Doggy.
Is that the dog?
This is where the motorcycle meetups are.
Oh, really? Here?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, the dog, Ellie. Look,
Oh,
oh.
look at the doggy.
A doggy. Sabi niya, ooh, doggy. Tapos, ayan yung playground. Mag-swing si Ellie, guys. Nandito tayo sa may Red Wing Park. Oh. Sa may playground. Diba? Ang daming dito sa likod may mga bahay-bahay na. Akala namin walang pang-batang yung pwede kay Ellie. Pero pwede man siguro sa Ellie kaso nakakatakot. Hindi pa siya katulad nung na ganun kalaki. Kailangan meron pang ganite. You ready, Ellie?
You wanna swim?
Gustong-gusto niya yan eh.
Okay.
Okay.
He said his mom was at home, so if he were
Ellie! Ellie! Whee! Whee! Her face! Oh no!
It's okay.
I thought she's like, oh, I'm scared.
She likes it.
She likes it, yeah. Look at her.
Ay. She doesn't know what to think yet.
Yeah. Hindi ko na nilalagyan ng headband kaya ayaw naman magpa-headband, oy.
Is that fun?
Pati hair clip na lalagay ko,
Is
tinanggal
that
din.
fun?
Doon yung bata naglalaro.
Oh, oh, oh.
Whee! Whee! Is that fun, Ellie? Yay! He's like, this is fun, Daddy. Are you happy?
She likes it. Look
Yeah,
at her
look at her.
smile. She loves that. She's like Dad.
Mhm.
She likes oh, ooh, wow.
Whee! Whee! Hi! Hi, baby girl.